Let's start with the first job opening. So this is SOCL2 LTD. It's in Mindtree. Okay, this is mail ID pooja.singh@ltimindtree.com, and if he wants to join, then this is L2, which means it required little bit experience. L3 is something where you actually require experience, right? And guys, if you can join only if you have only 15 days of notice period, right? Oh, if you feel you are fit, then drop a mail on the same mail ID, okay, along with your resume. Now the next job opening is in Tech Security. Here you can see the name. So they are looking for web developer interns. So this is for the coders, cybersecurity intern, AIML intern, Flutter intern, and React intern. So if you are willing to join for any of these job roles, if you feel कि भाई knowledge अच्छा है, selection हो जाएगा, then just to apply. Okay, there's a lot of companies looking for, and this is what are the positions they are looking for, right? Tech Security. Mail ID is consultancy@gmail.com. So just do accordingly. It seems to be a startup because they're using Gmail. Okay, so always a startup is using Gmail because they're having some tight budget, so they can't host a website. Anyways, guys, if you're a startup, then just keep hustling. You'll get some sort of good success. Now let's move to the next job opening, which is a VAPT professional, which is a immediate joining, right? If you're looking for a job to join within the next couple of days, then you can join this one. But this is actually for experienced people, experienced peps, right? So it required 5 years of experience and BTech should be there. Okay, and location is Gandhinagar. Mail ID is pradeep.saluja@tataadvancedsystem.com. It might be Tata or something. Just let me know if someone is watching this video, if someone is going to watch the comment box. Is it Tata? Ratan Tata wala? Respected Ratan Tata. So is this that company Tata Advanced System.com? Let me know if you feel like you can join this job role, then do check out thing. Now next company is basically Hack Secure. Hack Secure is the another company name. They're looking for cybersecurity intern. Okay, they want someone with the basics of cybersecurity knowledge, teamwork skill. Okay, and available है तो join कर लो. Okay, this joining is till 12th of February 2025. So this is for freshers. Okay, as well, because if you want to join, just drop your mail. And this is mobile number. If you have any query, something, you can have a call with them. Scan it, you might get something how to plan all those things. And this is mail ID where you can drop your resume. So I guess you need to check out this URL, this QR, so that you'll get an idea exactly how to apply, or if there is any form or something, you'll get everything from there. Now next opening is basically they're hiring for CCIE certificate for professionals. It's in Andheri East, Mumbai. Okay, network admin is the role. That's what they're looking for. Then they will pay you up to 25 LPA. 25 लाख एक साल में मिलेगा, which will be around 2 lakh a month. Okay. PFT वो सब काट करके. This is the mail ID. Company name is Orient India. Is the company name. Okay. And Sugandha Hande is the contact person. Okay, so you can drop your resume on Sugandha Hande at orientindia.net, and this is the WhatsApp number. It's having a spelling error. WhatsApp, right? So just drop your resume on this mail ID. If you want, you can apply for this job role. And guys, if you have any query, then you can reach out to Sugandha on this mobile number, right? Now let's move to the next opening, which is in Hackett. Okay, so they're looking for red teamer. Okay, those are 5 years experience. And there are a couple of things which is required: cobalt strike, mythic silver, EDR detection, and all those things required, along with some defense mechanism. Mail ID is careers@hackett.com, right, from where you can apply. So that's all.